I didn't even hear it, I just assumed.
That's all I had.
Yeah, I know. Thanks for making me feel stupid.
Today, two 120 horsepower motors, huge drum gears, and other operating machinery which provide powerful cars can be seen at a viewing area at the Lookout Mountain Station. Lookout Mountain is part of the Cumberland area, part of the Appalachian chain, and has all its mountains. Lookout Mountain is the southernmost mountain in the Appalachians. Many of the mountain residents use the mountain sometimes as mere ramps at the top of the mountain, and they have ice and snow. Listen to it. Incline has also been used to transport freight, and furniture. As the incline is the fastest method of transportation up and down the mountain, and to help a mother to get to the hospital for the night. There have been several weddings in European while the cars climb the mountain. As the incline climbs historical mountains,
It's coming right for us.
Chattanooga and Lookout Mountain,
See?
as well as Hamilton County and the Chattanooga and Chattanooga National Military Mountain. Traveling up the mountain, you'll find that the air gets cooler since there's a 8-degree temperature difference between the Chattanooga Valley and Lookout Mountain. The grade of the track from Stevens Point to Lookout is 72.7%.
Interesting, so we stay on the same side. Up and down. I thought my pass on the other side.
Oh, you're right.
Same side, up and down.
Probably depends on what car you're in. It does.
The highest observation points on the site. Breathtaking view of the Chattanooga Valley. Clear day, you can see 6 states. Those of you who enjoy history, learn to visit.
This is where the cables will.
The nation's oldest and largest national military park. Famous civil war battle of the was fought at the park in November 1963. The battle took place on a day of civil range in the same park. One time,
It just goes up higher.
Rest of the name, battle about the park. Another problem was that the soldiers wore the tanks to fire on the troops. The ball would roll out of the cannon. When General Grant was on the field, it took him nearly 4 hours on a very rough road to reach the top. As every distance in the free area discovers, each worth the other. Today, the Incline Road takes riders almost a mile straight up the face of Lookout Mountain in about 10 minutes. At Point Park, 3 blocks from the station, General Grant's 15 for unique, computerized and other displays of Chattanooga Civil War history, visit the Battles for Chattanooga Electric Map and Museum across from Point Park. We hope you enjoy your ride on the Incline. When you reach the Lookout Mountain Station, take your time and enjoy the shops, observation decks, machinery, and the content in exhibits. Stay as long as you please.
That's just insane.
A historic Lookout
Like, I can't even see the top.
If there's anything we may do to assist you, please let us know.
This is your bridge?
And it gets steeper still. Look at the cables, how much like they're just floating in the air. see a white like.
It's interesting.
Oh my god, you really feel it.
Oh, my ears.
I know.
Awesome view. And the gale snaps.
Yeah, this one has brakes or something. We're really.
You didn't realize it going down.
And you're really cruising on this too.
Oh my god.
You're okay.
Look at that, that is just crazy.
All right, folks, thank you for riding with us today. Please stay seated till we come to a complete stop. These cars leave about every 20 minutes throughout the day. If you'd like to check out Point Park or the Battles for Chattanooga Museum, they're located 3 blocks to the right when you exit the front of the building. See it. See it.
Don't move. Get in there. Why are they standing there? Are we going to get off?
Unless you want to stand here for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So that would be fun.
I don't want to hang here for 20 minutes.
I'm
Close your eyes.
Sit down, Casey.